Alright, Thursday night, about to head off to bed. Came in to check on Ellis's pelvis, and let's have a look. So 40% done, 37 hours and 1 minute left. So I'm actually impressed that that lonely little support is still hanging in there. I'm just waiting for that to fall over. It's only a matter of time. And yeah, it's definitely not very straight anymore, is it? But yeah, details coming along good. Skirt looking very smooth. Yeah, all good. Let's see how the spool's looking. Not too bad. Looking like there's plenty of filament still on there, so I hope that'll still be able to run until the morning. Alright, I'll check on it tomorrow. Alright, morning, Friday morning, and before I went to bed last night, I sliced Ellis's arm, well, one of Ellis's arms, and I was kind of wondering whether it would stay on the plate, because, you know, it's very small points of contact there, just on the elbow, and a support that needed to build up under the arm as it was printing, which didn't click in for a while. But as you can see, it's doing a very nice balancing act. So just to show you on the screen here what it's looking like and how I orientated it. So done to do minimum supports. I think we're up to about probably a bit more than that. I think we're up to about that point, but there you go. As you can see, should look good, and it's supposedly going to manage it with the fingers with no supports the way I orientated it. Goes to show orientation is everything on prints at times. So we'll see how that comes out. And over here is Ellis's pelvis. Looks like it's getting towards the end of the skirt, and then it's just onto the legs. We'll go in and take a look at that and see how it's coming along. Haven't really done any more on this. I give my fingers a rest because, man, God, I mean, between that and this, it's like cut up moving them. Yeah, I'll try and finish the rest of the supports. There's not that much left, and there's one of the boots over there on the stand, so you can see where that fits. Of course, I've got to paint that up first before I actually glue it in place. So, right, let's go in and take a look at Ellis's pelvis, see how it's printed. Alright, so let's try and get an angle on here. So, yep, skirt's almost done. Moving on to the legs there. So I think the skirt actually is done. That tiny little tower in the far corner, that was meant to support that tip of the skirt, and as you can see, it ended up bending so much, being so thin, never actually made it. So could have done without that, but still impressive that it managed to stand up all that way. So I was doing some measurements because I had that sinking feeling this thing was going to be a bit short. In order to match the actual height of Gabrielle Drake, this piece is going to need to be 26 inches high from the waist to the end of the leg, not the pin, the actual physical part. So from here to here will need to be 26 inches. She's only 5'4", which is surprising. I guess she looked a giant on the screen, but let's see if it manages it. Anyway, we're at 56%. It's saying 27 hours, 25 minutes to go. So it'll be finished pretty early tomorrow, probably around about lunchtime. Do have what looks like another spool change to make. So I need to keep an eye on that, so I don't waste any time with it being shut down waiting on me. Right, so I'll let this keep on printing and we'll come back, check it in an hour or two, see how that spool is. Anybody want half an arm? So it was printed really good until it got to this point, and then the vibrations made it fall off the tall tower, and then it eventually dragged it off the small support on the elbow before I could stop it and get some glue on there. But alright, so gone back here, I've resliced, or reslicing, added some more supports around the elbow, and also so it puts a, there you go, you can see how it's finished. More supports around the elbow and actually a big tower up the arm. That should hopefully keep it all in place. Okay, hang on. Oh, it's because I paused it. I need to stop this, confirm. Right. Let's see what it does. I can hear some humming going on. Yeah. That looks fine. Let's try again. Print. There you go. Let's get going this time. Right, I'll let it get on with it. I was just about to head into town, so before I jumped in the car, I thought I'd come in and check on this, and hey, lo and behold, that wobbly little support actually made it to the corner of her skirt. I am so impressed by that. Yeah, it made it. Well done, that support. Anyway, still long way to go. Where are we now? 60%. So, 24 hours and 33 minutes left. So, like I said, that should put it finished around noon tomorrow. Right, catch you later. Getting ready to call it a night, and doing one last check on this pelvis section. So 75% complete, 15 hours left. There's still bits of the skirt going down. At the back, legs still printing away. Most of the supports are out the way now, so it's down to just the body itself, so that should help speed things along. Lots of filament left on the reel, so I shouldn't have any problem with this running overnight. Right, we'll see how it looks in the morning. Well, I can't keep my eyes open any longer. I'm going to head off to bed. I was trying to stay awake and get the next arm running, but I'll take care of that in the morning. So, almost there. Just the fingertips. Meanwhile, the Giga is still running in the gym, so yep, catch you in the morning. Alright, Ellis's arm finished. It's a shame I couldn't have hung on last night, because I could have got the next one printing, but yep, nice. Look at the quality in the fingers there. Nails look good, just need a little trim. Get a couple of the wives sanding files out. Yep, pretty chuffed with that. Excellent. Saturday morning, good morning everyone. So, see how everything's looking here. Pretty good, 91%, 5.5 hours to go. Just say, quality wise, it is looking very nice indeed. So, I guess I'll just let it run while I'm watching the football matches today, and come back and see how it goes. So looks like plenty of filament left on there, so I shouldn't need to do any changes. We'll just let it run. Alright, having a quick check here. So still an hour and 50 minutes to go, 98%. And look at that, looking really good. So come back after all the football's finished, see how she is. Alright, football's finished and the printer's finished. So 62 hours and 11 minutes. And I've got to say, like I said, very, very nice quality, especially using that horrible PLA that I've been cursing all the time. Although it's a, like I say, strange quality stuff. Oh, there we go. And bed's cooled down, so it's released. So bunch of supports. I'm gonna have to try and break off. But yeah, that's the last big part. So I've still got one arm. There's that little stringy support. So yeah, one last part coming off with the arm, and then we'll be ready to get into painting and piecing it together. I'm going to cart her through to the games room and just lay the pieces out so you can all see what it looks like. Alright, Ellis's second arm printing off nicely. I put down plenty of supports this time, so I wouldn't end up having to redo it like the first one. Yeah, so there you go, that's what we're printing off. Alright, so apart from the one remaining arm, so here's the Ellis parts kind of laid out in order. You can see there's the base, the peg there, that's going to go on the end of the foot. The other foot will end up resting on top of that somewhere. Right, so that boot will stick onto that leg. Still need to clean up some of the supports on this, get them off, and then these two will be able to stick together. Yep, arm, like I say, that came pretty good. There we go. Let's put that in place there. So once I glue that in place, a little bit of infill, then painting, we shouldn't even be able to see the join. Because the head's going to be the major one for doing the paint work. But all in all, looking pretty good. Time for bed, and Ellis's final arm is close to completion, 73%. So hopefully it should be done in the morning. All right. A final piece of Lt Ellis completed. So arm came out nice. I've got to take these supports off, and then I can put it with the rest, and then we're nothing left but printing and probably a ton of sanding. All right, let me get on with that.